Well, hello there, YouTube. I'm backing out of my shop. I have a topic for you. Let me get out of here. Oh, close my door. Okay. A couple years ago, I don't know how many, probably 4 years ago, I had to change the battery out on my Goldwing. So I went to Walmart and took the old battery, and I knew exactly what kind I needed. So I went to Walmart and bought an EverStart. Okay, that thing's been in there probably 3 years. Never ever have I put a tender on that battery, and it starts up every single time religiously without a battery tender. Okay, I had that battery go bad in this thing. It always had to be on the tender because it would just go dead. So I bought another one of those ever-ready batteries at Walmart. Put the tender on, does nothing. So, and this Spyder's been sitting there for, I don't know, 2 weeks, and it fires right up. So, my advice, don't ever buy any more of those USA batteries. They're Chinese. I think somebody told me they're Chinese batteries, but I buy these. I mean, it was $130, so it wasn't cheap. But these EverStart batteries, you don't even need to put them on a tender. I'm not going to put it on the tender on this thing, and it just fires right up. After 2 weeks, fires up. And the old battery went dead. So, and if you guys are looking at batteries, just, go to Walmart. And they're probably a little expensive because they're motorcycle batteries, but they're the best battery. I'll never buy another one of those whatever those things are. They suck. And like I say, I had this same battery I got in here, in the Goldwing, and I've never, ever put it on a battery tender. Ever. Don't need to. And it fires up like a champ. If I don't run it for a month, it still fires up like a champ. So, I don't know, you could take that with a grain of salt, or you could kind of, listen to it. And this thing, I bought it brand new in 2020, it's 2024, and I got oh gosh, I don't know, I'd have to go look. It probably won't let me do it. Oh yeah, it might. 26,444 miles. I have never once put anything in it but regular unleaded gasoline. Ever. Never. And this thing runs like a champ. No noise. I get 40 miles per gallon when I drive 60, 65. Of course, when I drive, the faster you drive, just like any other vehicle, you'll lose mileage. But I have never, ever put premium gas in this thing, not once. And when I bought it, they told me that's what they put in it. They never buy this 93 octane stuff. They said you can just put regular gas in it, just keep putting the same gas in it, and it'll run forever. And that's what I've been doing. So if you guys got a lot of money that you can spend probably over $1 per gallon more, go for it. Go for it. I don't do it. And when I change my oil, I never use the BRP oil, the blend. That costs you $110. I go to Walmart and I buy the motorcycle oil, whether it's the Walmart brand, but it is motorcycle oil, so I buy 4 or 5 quarts of that. And of course I do have to buy the filters and the everything else from Baharan or whatever. because nobody has that kind of filter. So I do buy that. And I changed out the oh, if you ever change the oil yourself, the battery or the brake bracket, the nut is on the wrong side, and it impedes that torque wrench from going up there. You got to go at an angle. So the first thing I did was reverse that bolt so the nut's on the outside so I can get at that thing. And the next thing I did was actually change all of those crazy ass Allens and Torques to a hex. You can buy them at the oh gosh, what's his name? The guy that's the Spyder guy. But you can buy them. Oil changes are so easy now. It only takes me like maybe 30 minutes tops. The worst thing is getting the damn thing in the air. Once you get it in the air, it's easy peasy. You don't have to take anything off but this one side. That's all you got to do. I'll change my oil next time, and I'll film with it. It's so easy to change the oil. Anybody that spends $300, $400, $500 for an oil change is just, maybe you don't have the know-how to do it yourself. That's probably a lot of people don't. And I have a shop, and it's air conditioned and heated, so I can actually do it. Everything I keep both motorcycles in the shop. So I do all, I've even taken the front shocks off the Goldwing and redid the seals. That's a job. I won't do it again. But that was a huge job. So I guess I've talked long enough. Bye.